Azambulela guys uGabriel usagowa namanje kune-artist entsha sha ehambe yaya kwi-Genesis uthi nje why ungayilethanga la idemo yakho. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Genesis, so from the 19th to the 23rd of January 2026 on Monday. Genesis makes a bold move that sends shockwave through the industry. A rising star is challenged to prove her worth or step aside. New rivalries come shocking with a score to Sekle on Tuesday. Felicia and Rebecca Malope uplift in an unforgettable musical cadenza, but joy turns to dread when Gabriel makes his demand, and there is only room for one mashonisa in Katlehong. Guys, uwendu so mashonisa ulwa nabo mashonisa abanye. On Wednesday, Bongo chooses War Over Peace. Maruna gets the shock of her life. Wendy is all powered up and her power runs to her herd on Thursday. Wendy makes a chilling realization about her actions. Gabriel has had enough of the disrespect from the gospel industry. Nobuhle overhears something she really shouldn't have on Friday. A young gospel star, music star, is on the cusp of a life-changing international deal, but the dark forces are swelling. The siblings' rivalry between two sisters spills over into their workspace. Two Kasi business rivals make peace and agree to work together. Well, guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.